What is up, guys? Welcome to the Hocus Pocus School. Today, we're going to talk about how you can execute a swap for the WIZ token. Before we start this process, head over to wiz-protocol.com. Once you do that, a beautiful UI is going to pop up. At the bottom of the UI, there is a tab for Buy WIZ, Dashboard, the purple paper. We are going to select the middle one, which is the dashboard. And then we're going to come over to the left-hand side of the on-chain wizard, and we're going to go over to Swap Wizard. Once we're over at Swap Wizard, we're going to connect our MetaMask wallet. So please hit connect. It'll connect directly to your MetaMask wallet. Please keep in mind, you must have your MetaMask wallet open. And if you are using a ledger, please have your ledger open, ready to go. The Swap Wizard only supports MetaMask wallets. So if you need to download the MetaMask wallet, please head over to metamask.io. Once you do that, you have the option to select which currency you want to swap from to get the WIZ token. Here we only offer WIZ and USDC. In this case, we only offer ETH and USDC. So in this case, we are going to use ETH. And once your wallet is connected, you're going to come over here and specify how much ETH you are going to use. In this case, I'll go with 0.009. So right around $10. Now, before we execute the swap, we need to change the slippage. And we come over here. I recommend having a slippage of 5%. That can be adjusted. Please keep in mind the WIZ token does have a series of taxes on buys and sells. There is a 4% tax on buys. So typically you want to have your slippage higher than 4%. You can adjust this based off of how quickly you want the transaction to be completed. But in my opinion, 5% is probably the best threshold for a swap. Once you specify 5%, we're going to click on this X button. We're going to click Review Swap. And then we're going to click on Confirm Swap. Now, once you hit Confirm Swap, MetaMask will pop up, and then we're going to select Confirm. And that's going to send directly to your Ledger wallet. If you're using a Ledger wallet, so be sure to approve that. Now, once the transaction has been confirmed, it's going to take a little bit of a minute. Please keep in mind, during a bull market with high congestion, these swaps can be a lot slower. During a bear market, the swaps can be a lot quicker. So it is going to take some time, but I can't stress enough, just please be patient. So the transaction has been approved. You can view the transaction Etherscan, or you can come up and just view it on your MetaMask wallet. So guys, that's it for the video today. Please leave a comment down below if you have a question about how to use the swap function on the WIZ protocol website.